初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
好久不见。
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
How have you been?
How have you been?
你最近怎么样？
How have you been?
How have you been?
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you.
见到你真好。
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you.
You look great today.
You look great today.
你今天看起来很棒。
You look great today.
You look great today.
What are you up to?
What are you up to?
你在忙什么？
What are you up to?
What are you up to?
How's your family doing?
How's your family doing?
你的家人怎么样？
How's your family doing?
How's your family doing?
I was just thinking of you.
I was just thinking of you.
我刚刚还在想你。
I was just thinking of you.
I was just thinking of you.
Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
这个周末你有空吗？
Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again.
很高兴再次见到你。
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again.
I'm glad we ran into each other.
I'm glad we ran into each other.
很高兴我们偶遇了。
I'm glad we ran into each other.
I'm glad we ran into each other.
The weather is really nice today.
The weather is really nice today.
今天天气真好。
The weather is really nice today.
The weather is really nice today.
Did you watch the game yesterday?
Did you watch the game yesterday?
你昨天看比赛了吗？
Did you watch the game yesterday?
Did you watch the game yesterday?
Have you tried the new restaurant?
Have you tried the new restaurant?
你试过那家新餐厅了吗？
Have you tried the new restaurant?
Have you tried the new restaurant?
I heard some good news today.
I heard some good news today.
我今天听到了一些好消息。
I heard some good news today.
I heard some good news today.
Work has been so busy lately.
Work has been so busy lately.
最近工作很忙。
Work has been so busy lately.
Work has been so busy lately.
Do you still live nearby?
Do you still live nearby?
你还住在附近吗？
Do you still live nearby?
Do you still live nearby?
I can't believe it's already August.
I can't believe it's already August.
真不敢相信，已经是8月了。
I can't believe it's already August.
I can't believe it's already August.
That shirt really suits you.
That shirt really suits you.
那件衬衫很适合你。
That shirt really suits you.
That shirt really suits you.
I like your new haircut.
I like your new haircut.
我喜欢你的新发型。
I like your new haircut.
I like your new haircut.
How's everything going at work?
How's everything going at work?
工作一切顺利吗？
How's everything going at work?
How's everything going at work?
Do you want to grab coffee?
Do you want to grab coffee?
你想去喝杯咖啡吗？
Do you want to grab coffee?
Do you want to grab coffee?
Let's have lunch together tomorrow.
Let's have lunch together tomorrow.
明天一起吃午饭吧。
Let's have lunch together tomorrow.
Let's have lunch together tomorrow.
Are you free for dinner tonight?
Are you free for dinner tonight?
今晚有空一起吃晚饭吗？
Are you free for dinner tonight?
Are you free for dinner tonight?
Would you like to join us?
Would you like to join us?
你想加入我们吗？
Would you like to join us?
Would you like to join us?
We're having a party this Friday.
We're having a party this Friday.
我们这周五有个派对。
We're having a party this Friday.
We're having a party this Friday.
Please come to my birthday.
Please come to my birthday.
请来参加我的生日。
Please come to my birthday.
Please come to my birthday.
Bring a friend if you want.
Bring a friend if you want.
想的话可以带个朋友来。
Bring a friend if you want.
Bring a friend if you want.
Can you come over this weekend?
Can you come over this weekend?
这个周末你能过来吗？
Can you come over this weekend?
Can you come over this weekend?
Let's watch a movie together.
Let's watch a movie together.
我们一起看电影吧。
Let's watch a movie together.
Let's watch a movie together.
Do you want to play basketball?
Do you want to play basketball?
你想打篮球吗？
Do you want to play basketball?
Do you want to play basketball?
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
和你聊天很开心。
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
Let's keep in touch.
Let's keep in touch.
保持联系。
Let's keep in touch.
Let's keep in touch.
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
我晚点打给你。
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
Send me a message tomorrow.
Send me a message tomorrow.
明天给我发个消息。
Send me a message tomorrow.
Send me a message tomorrow.
Don't be a stranger.
Don't be a stranger.
别见外。
Don't be a stranger.
Don't be a stranger.
Hope to see you soon.
Hope to see you soon.
希望很快见到你。
Hope to see you soon.
Hope to see you soon.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
照顾好自己。
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
Have a great evening.
Have a great evening.
祝你晚上愉快。
Have a great evening.
Have a great evening.
Thanks for your time today.
Thanks for your time today.
谢谢你今天的时间。
Thanks for your time today.
Thanks for your time today.
See you next time.
See you next time.
下次见。
See you next time.
See you next time.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。